Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Advanced Tech World, where we explore the cutting edge of military technology. Today we're diving into a topic that's reshaping modern warfare: the rise of drones and the possible end of traditional fighter jets. For decades, fighter jets have dominated the skies, symbolizing a nation's air power and technological prowess. But as we move further into the 21st century, a new player has entered the battlefield: drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles are not just a passing trend. They're rapidly becoming the future of aerial combat. Countries around the world are now investing more in drones than ever before, often at the expense of traditional fighter jets. Why? Let's take a closer look. In the past decade, the global military landscape has seen a significant shift. Nations like the United States, China, and Israel are leading the charge in drone development. The US alone is expected to spend over $14 billion on drones by 2025, a figure that surpasses many countries' entire defense budgets. The reasons for this shift are clear. Drones offer several advantages over traditional fighter jets. They are cheaper to produce and maintain, don't risk the lives of pilots, and can stay in the air for extended periods. Drones can also perform a wide range of missions, from surveillance and reconnaissance to precision strikes. The rise of drones is not just a trend, it's a seismic shift in military strategy and spending. According to recent reports, global military expenditure on drones has surged, with countries like the United States, China, and Israel leading the charge. The US, for instance, has allocated billions of dollars to drone technology in recent years. The 2024 defense budget reveals a continued emphasis on expanding its fleet of MQ-9 Reapers, RQ-4 Global Hawks, and even newer, more advanced models. Meanwhile, spending on traditional fighter jets like the F-22 Raptor and the F-35 Lightning II, though still substantial, is being increasingly scrutinized. So why are drones taking over? Firstly, drones are significantly cheaper to produce and maintain than fighter jets. An advanced drone like the MQ-9 Reaper costs about $16 million, whereas an F-35 can exceed $100 million. Secondly, drones can stay airborne for much longer. The RQ-4 Global Hawk, for example, can remain in the air for over 30 hours, compared to the few hours a fighter jet can manage. Lastly, drones reduce the risk to human life. In high-threat environments, such as anti-aircraft defense zones, drones can perform missions that would be too dangerous for manned aircraft. So what are the most advanced military drones in use today? Let's explore some of the top contenders. First on our list is the MQ-9 Reaper. Known for its precision and endurance, the Reaper is the backbone of the US drone fleet. Capable of carrying Hellfire missiles and laser-guided bombs, it's a formidable asset in both surveillance and combat roles. Next, we have the RQ-4 Global Hawk. This high-altitude, long-endurance drone is designed for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance ISR missions. It can fly for over 30 hours at altitudes exceeding 60,000 feet, making it ideal for monitoring large areas of the battlefield. Speaking of Russia, where do they stand in this new era of aerial warfare? Russia has historically focused more on traditional air power, with its fleet of fighter jets like the Su-57 Felon. However, in recent years, there has been a noticeable pivot toward developing unmanned systems. The Orion drone is a prime example of this shift, though it still trails behind US and Chinese models in terms of technology and deployment. With all these advancements, one might wonder, are we witnessing the end of fighter jets? While it's true that drones are taking on more roles traditionally performed by fighter jets, it's unlikely that manned aircraft will disappear entirely. Fighter jets still have their place in scenarios where human decision-making is crucial. However, the balance of power is shifting, and drones are set to take on a more dominant role in the skies. As technology continues to evolve, the line between manned and unmanned aircraft will blur even further. The future of aerial combat is likely to be a mix of both, with drones leading the way. But does this mean the end of fighter jets? Not necessarily. While drones will likely dominate the skies, fighter jets will continue to play a critical role, particularly in air superiority and complex missions where human decision-making is essential. Thanks for watching Advanced Tech World. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in military technology. Let us know in the comments. Do you think drones will eventually replace fighter jets?